Today I'll show you how to add new video or audio layers to your timeline in the edit page. This is really handy when you want to stack multiple clips, overlays, sound effects, or music tracks without crowding everything onto a single line. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can keep your projects organized and flexible. Let's start on the edit page. This is the main area where you assemble your clips, add transitions, and build your story. Make sure you're actually on that page because the steps I'm about to describe apply specifically to the edit interface. You'll know you're in the right place if you can see the familiar timeline along the bottom with your video and audio tracks laid out horizontally. Now, look at the left side of the timeline. You should see labels like V1 for your first video track and A1 for your first audio track. These labels sit inside what's called the track header area. This area controls each track and gives you options like locking, muting, hiding, and in this case, adding new tracks. Move your mouse over to that track header zone. It doesn't matter too much whether you hover over V1, A1, or another track label. What matters is that you're in that left-hand column where those track names appear. Next, right-click on one of those track headers. When you do this, a context menu appears. This is a small menu that gives you a list of actions related to tracks. Take a moment to glance through it so you get familiar with what's available there, but for now we're focusing on the option to add more tracks. In that right-click menu, look for the option labeled Add Track. When you hover over it, you'll see choices such as Add Video Track and Add Audio Track. These options let you choose exactly what kind of layer you want to create. If you need more space for things like titles, picture-in-picture clips, or graphics, select Add Video Track. If you're planning to add music, sound effects, dialogue, or voiceovers and want to keep them separate, select Add Audio Track instead. Click on the option that matches what you need. As soon as you choose one of those, a brand new track will appear in your timeline. For a video track, you'll see something like V2, V3, and so on. For audio, you'll see A2, A3, and additional labels as you add more. And the new track usually appears just above or below your existing ones, depending on how your timeline is set up. You can now drag clips onto this new track, stack visuals above your main footage, or layer sounds under your primary audio. This gives you much more control over your edit, making it easier to adjust specific elements without affecting everything else on the timeline. If you find you need more layers later on, simply repeat the same process. Right-click in the track header area, choose Add Track, then pick either Add Video Track or Add Audio Track. With a bit of practice, this will become second nature whenever you want to expand your timeline. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to quickly add new video or audio tracks on the edit page, giving you extra layers to build more polished and complex edits.